cannot speak for you, but when it comes to anything Ghanaian, I am all in. Hi guys, my name is Nana Abena and this is AbenaCooks. You're welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're an OG, I'm here for you and I get some new recipes up my sleeve. I realize that most people don't know how to make Ghanaian salad. Yeah, I mean Ghanaian salad. Well, that's why I'm here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. So here, I am just prepping my lettuce. I do not have vinegar, and so if you do not have vinegar in your house, do not be worried at all. The traditional way is to get your salt and you wash your vegetables at least twice. The first without salt and then the second time with the salt. Also, if you want your salad to be dry so you can store it for a bit, you will need to let it, dry out on its own. Or if not, in the following videos, you're gonna see me trying to pat it dry with some paper towel. Trust me, it does the magic for you. So today is day 3 after my salad and it is still intact, and I know you love this. Not all people love cabbages in their salad, but yeah, we like a bit of everything. And guess what I ate with this salad? And my Nigerian roommates absolutely loved my Ghanaian salad. So if you're living with Nigerians like I'm doing now, just let them know that Ghanaian food reigns supreme. I hope you enjoy this video and I'll see you some other time. Love you. Do enjoy some groove as you watch this video. And if it's not too late, you can get these ingredients and make your salad today and do enjoy. You can opt for the mayonnaise or you can just leave it at that, provided you know your preference. But as for me and my house, we like everything. Do enjoy this video. The green pepper, the bell pepper is absolutely optional, but you can never go wrong with a lot of veggies, so you can add it if you want.
You feel if I say we day talk, that they mean milano. Laugh means kono. Waist beat jono. Be quiet, bono. I know BJ Colo Kendrick Lamar. Charlie, you to hear me, that it mean a sama. Kendrick will say I am lyrically dope. Adam will say lyrically I'm a dope.
That there's a special way you cut your cabbage when using it for salad. This is how it's done. Let me know if you need a closer look at this, and I'm gonna show you guys how you cut your cabbage for salad. You do not want your salad to have big chunks of cabbage, so this is how you slice your cabbage. It is very, very beautiful and artistic, because guess what? Food is art. You definitely want your cabbage looking as sexy as it gets. I mean, you get it. I had to change angles because, girl, I was absolutely enjoying this meal. I know you are too. Have you liked? Have you commented? Have you shared? Let's get right to it. Then again, your carrots shouldn't look so short and not nice. They're supposed to look really long, so it makes the food I mean, your salad really, really pleasing to the eye. So you're gonna have to hold your carrot straight and not bent so that you have it really in the longer side, and then you watch the type or the side of the grater that you use. It's food. It has to be pleasing. Do it my way and let me know in the comment section. Will you cut your lettuce when you're making your salad? Or you just use your hand to do it? Well, for me, it's definitely got to be the hand because cutting the lettuce is gonna make it look tinier than expected, but salad is supposed to be the salad is supposed to salad. You feel me? So this is how I do it. I couldn't give you guys a closer look, but I mean, you see how the business is going. Except for this, the middle line, which is hard, I only take out the leafy part and then I leave out the hard part. If you want it, you can add it as well because hey, it's still part of the green leafy vegetables. For the sake of how exotic you want your salad to look, I'd recommend you go for salad onions, but if you don't, the regular purple onions work just fine. But you know, for content purposes, I mean, get that salad onion. But do this. Some of you don't like cucumbers in your salad. How? Why? People of God, am I even Ghanaian if there's no egg in my salad? Certainly not. Anyway, cucumbers are very healthy and you definitely want to add it to your salad. Well, it's one of the reasons why I enjoy salad anyway. I hated to admit it, but truth. Do you actually understand me when I say food is art? Because food is art. But you know what is more beautiful? And what is extra about my salad? Have you added exeter corned beef to your salad before? Oh my days. God bless the company that brought exeter corned beef. And yes, I know some of you don't know how to actually cut corned beef. I mean, utinitino. Turn the key upside down. But have you subscribed? Anyway, exeter is a masterpiece. Corned beef in your salad is a masterpiece. But sardine is a whole new level. I'm telling you, it's a whole new level. Add the two, add some eggs, and tell me why you would not enjoy my salad. Yeah, go to the market and let's make some Ghanaian salad.
If I say we day talk, that they mean millennial. Laugh means kono. Waist beat jono. Be quiet, bono. I know be J. Colo Kendrick Lamar. Chilling you to hear me, that it mean a sama. Kendrick will say I am lyrically dope. Adam will say lyrically I'm a dope. It feel. If I say we day talk, that they mean millennial.